Hello everyone, today we are going to make slides. What you will need: 1 pom-pom, 6 flashcards, 2 8.5 by 5.5 inch long pieces of cardstock, scissors, and tape. Step 1. You will need flashcards and tape. Take all of your flashcards and fold them in half, hamburger style, not hot dog style. Now we are going to tape the 2 flashcards together and make a square. Repeat this step with all of your flashcards. Step 2. Grab your cardstock. Fold the sides of your cardstock about an inch inwards. You are creating a 1-inch flap on both sides. This will be the side of your slide to keep your pom-pom from falling off. Repeat this step with the other piece of cardstock. Step 3. Using one of the squares you made in step 1 and the slide you made in step 2, we are going to create our first baby slide. Place your square on the table, then gently balance your slide. Once you've created your first slide, have your pom-pom slide down. Step 4. Make an even bigger slide by stacking 2 squares and gently placing your slide on the side. Now test it out. Step 5. Grab both of your cardstock slide pieces and tape. Tape them together to make an even longer slide. You're doing great. Step 6. Grab all of your squares from step 1. Now tape them all together. Taping our squares together will create a stronger base for our long slide. Step 7. Stand your tape squares up and balance your slide on the side. The final result. Are you having fun? Keep watching to learn how to extend this activity to make a super slide. Take your long slide and cut the cardstock flap. Now, cut the flap on the other side in the same place, like this. Do this in several places to give your slide some fun bumps. By doing this, it allows for you to bend your slide. Now test and see how you want to bend your slide. Once you've done this, tape it down so it can keep its shape. Grab a box or anything you can use to elevate your slide. Tape your slide onto it and have your pom-pom go down. The final result. Get creative. Use more cardstock to create an even bigger and more fun slide. Thanks for watching.